Hello and welcome back, guys. If you want to find the greatest mass gainers, there are a few things to consider. First, select a supplement that has high-quality components and is free of fillers and additives. You'll also want to seek for a supplement with a balanced protein-to-carbohydrate ratio. MUTANT MASS Extreme 2500 was designed for extreme hard gainers who are unable to gain mass no matter how much they eat or how hard they train. Those with an exceptionally rapid metabolism and a hectic on-the-go lifestyle require more calories but struggle to consume enough to grow muscle. Each serving of these MUTANT MASS Extreme delivers 1,270 calories, 46 grams of protein, 255 grams of carbohydrates, and 7.5 grams of fat when mixed with just 2 cups of 1% milk. Nothing adds mass like MUTANT MASS Extreme 2500 when combined with a healthy diet and exercise routine. Jacked Factory. This authentic mass has a great flavor with minimum chemicals. It's a healthier, more pleasurable alternative to standard bulk gainers, ideal for increasing calorie consumption without sacrificing quality or flavor. Each serving of Jacked Factory Authentic Mass contains a substantial 50 grams of high-quality whey protein concentrate, which is essential for muscle repair and building. It is intended for easy digestion and maximum nutrient absorption. As a result, Authentic Mass can be your go-to for a high-calorie, protein-rich supplement that is both effective and gentle on your system. Plus, this Authentic Mass is also ideal for people who struggle to reach their calorie and protein requirements through healthy foods, since it provides a handy, palatable alternative that fuels your muscle growth journey with each scoop. Ronnie Coleman Signature Series King Mass. It is intended to assist develop mass and offer energy for what the brand refers to as brutal workouts. The product contains 60 grams of protein and 1,000 calories per serving, which equals 4 scoops regardless of flavor. However, additional nutritional statistics may differ depending on the taste in question. For example, a single serving of King Mass vanilla ice cream includes 6 g of total fat, whereas cookies and cream contain 7 g. It is also available in 3 different flavors: dark chocolate, strawberry milkshake, and mint chocolate chip. Fitness Labs. If you are a weightlifter or athlete, you understand how much a strenuous workout can drain you. A high-protein diet is beneficial for general fitness and nutrition. Food alone may not provide you with all of the necessary assistance. If you want to stay on top of your game, you'll need a serious mass gainer from a trusted provider. Fitness Labs Mass Gainer 1300 is a nutrient-dense, high-protein powder formulated for the ideal weightlifter. Each 1,300-calorie serving contains 53 grams of fast-digesting whey protein, 26 grams of essential amino acids, and 6 grams of leucine, all of which will help you maintain an active lifestyle. With a massive chocolate taste, this drink mix produces delectable shakes and smoothies that raise your experience. It's just. Maltodextrin is a flexible carbohydrate that can help you reach your muscle-building goals. It delivers a quick source of energy to power your exercises and replenishes glycogen stores after exercise, promoting muscle recovery and growth. It is quickly absorbed by the body, making it an excellent choice for pre-workout nourishment or to battle exhaustion during strenuous exercise sessions. It can also be mixed into your favorite beverages to help you stay hydrated by maintaining a healthy electrolyte profile. Most importantly, this maltodextrin is produced from non-GMO, high-quality corn and is proudly manufactured in the United States by a GMP-accredited facility, ensuring the product's purity and safety. BODYTECH Prime. Finally, we have the BODYTECH Prime Mass in chocolate flavor. This is a nutritional powerhouse created especially to provide your body with the components it needs to make significant improvements. As someone who cares about both taste and nutritional content, I can certainly declare that Prime Mass delivers on both fronts. The chocolate flavor is not only delicious, but also manages to avoid the artificial taste that often accompanies mass gainers. The richness of the chocolate elevates the overall experience, making it a treat to look forward to, particularly for those with a sweet tooth. This makes it easy to maintain a consistent supplement schedule, which is essential for anyone serious about accomplishing their fitness goals. Prime Mass has a remarkable nutritional profile, which is one of its main selling points. With 55 grams of high-quality protein derived from whey and casein, it contains the essential amino acids required for muscle repair and growth. The inclusion of 222 grams of energy-producing carbohydrates significantly increases your calorie intake, which is critical for those aiming to gain mass and satisfy their daily energy needs. And that concludes our video. We really hope you enjoyed our video. To receive notifications when we release more hot reviews, click on the subscribe button and bell icon. Thank you, and see you guys in the next video.